Want to use the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch but don't know how? Look no further. By watching this video, you can quickly record important notes anytime, anywhere. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch. Here you will see a red circle icon. Tap on it. The app will show a timer and audio waveforms. That indicates your voice is recording. Speak clearly into the microphone on your Apple Watch. Then, when you're finished recording, tap the red square icon to stop this. After stopping, the recording will automatically be saved. And here you can see the recorded audio. You'll usually see it listed in the Voice Memos app with a default name like the date and time. If you swipe right, you will get a rename button. Tap on it. Now type anything to set a new name. Then tap done. Here it is renamed. Now if you swipe left, you will get a delete button. If you want to delete this record, tap on it. Now again to tap to confirm the deletion. And here's how you can use the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned and goodbye for today.